Objective number 5. Find the inverse of a function divided by an equation. Example number 8. Find the inverse of f of x equal to x minus 3. We will follow the 5 steps to find the inverse. First of all, we look at the function 2x minus 3. It is a line. It is a linear equation, so it is 1-to-1. When the function is 1-to-1, then we can find the inverse. So step number 1, we need to replace f of x with y in the equation. So we write y equal to x minus 3. And then step number 3, we need to interchange the x and y. So x equal to y minus 3. So from this step, the reason why we have to do step number 1 so that we have in the function have both x and y. And the idea of the inverse by definition is the switching of the x and the y. So we are switching in step number 2. The x become the y and the y become the x. In step number 3, we need to solve for y. We will add 3 both sides. And we got 2y equal x plus 3. Then divide both sides by 2. So we got y equal x plus 3 over 2. If you want to separate, it is equal to 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. Then step number 4, we need to write in the function notation, and that is our answer. In function notation, this is f of x, and that is the f inverse. Then that's it. That is the answer in step number 4. We want to check our result by showing that the f inverse of f of x equal to x and the f of f inverse of x equal to x. We have to do both. So we will check our answer. For the f inverse outside, we keep it outside, and then the f of x inside. The f of x is 2x minus 3. The 2x minus 3 inside the parenthesis. This is mean 2x minus 3 is the input for the f inverse. The f inverse in step number 4. So we need to input at the x location. Then we will input the 2x minus 3 at the x location. So we will get 1/2 2x minus 3 plus 3 over 2. We simplify this by distribute the 1/2. And we can see that the 3 over 2 cancel out and you left with the x. So in the check step above, we want to make sure when we do the compose, we get the answer is x. And now we need to check the other direction. That means the f is outside and the f inverse of x is inside. The f inverse of x is the input, and the answer is 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. That is the input, and we need to input 1/2 x plus 3 over 2 into the f function, and we will input at the x location. So we will get 2 and then 1/2 x plus 3 over 2 minus 3. We distribute the 2 and we see that the 3 cancel out and we get the answer is x. And then we know that our answer is correct. our answer is again in step number 4. Example number 9, we will do the same 5 steps. So step number 1, we need to have x and y so that we can interchange. So we write y equal x cubed plus 4. Then we will interchange the x and the y. And in step number 3, we will solve for y. We minus 4 both sides. And to get y by itself, we will do 1/3 both sides. So you recall that if you have a to the m and to the n, then we multiply the exponent together. So to get rid of the 3, we need to multiply 1/3. So we have y only, y by itself. And it's equal to the cube root of x minus 3. And we write the answer in the function notation in step number 4, and that is our answer. So f inverse, in this case is not f, but that is h, right? H inverse of x equal cube root of x minus 3. Now we do step number 5 to check. So first of all, the h inverse is the input of the function h, and the h inverse outside, the h of x is the input. We keep the h first. Now the h inverse is cube root of x minus 3. Cube root of x minus 3 is the input of the function h. The function h, we will plug this cube root of x minus 3 into the function h and at the x location. The 3 index and the exponent cancel out. And the function is x minus 4. It's not x minus 3, right? So I copied out wrong. Now the 3 you cancel out, so you get x minus 4 plus 4, and the answer is x. Also, from the second check, the h inverse is outside. The h of x is x cubed plus 4. It becomes the input for the function h inverse. H inverse is in step number 4. We will plug at the x location. Then we will get cube root of x cubed plus 4 minus 4. The 4 and the 4 cancel out. We will left with the cube root of x cubed, and the answer is x.